Yun ang talagang minaw.
Whatever emotion, if it's truth and if it's sincere and honest, it will go across sa audience. Halika, mag-rehearse tayo.
Alam mo, hindi alam ng tao na hindi mo kayang umiyak. So, chance mo na to shine.
Yun yung ako doon ako nagpapanay. Pag nahuli ko yung sarili kong
Umaarte
umaarte.
ako.
Umigil ang pangit.
Yes.
Teka lang pangit.
So, paano?
Shanda, I was going to ask, pag ikaw umuwi ka ba, nahihiwalay mo na yung role mo pag uwi mo? Pagdating mo sa bahay, misis na ako. Di ba? Tapos na. Tama na yung arte-arte ko. Dapat simpleng
Magluluto na ako.
Simpleng asawa na ako dito magluluto, pagsisilbihan ko ang asawa ko.
Ay, hindi
or
ako
hindi.
yan.
Hindi ka yan. Bakit? Nag-acting ka rin ba sa asawa mo?
Hindi.
Hindi.
rin.
Oo.
Ako yan. Pero coming from the set, I can't like, sige, cut na. Pag gina-cut niya yan, I have an assistant director or a director who always tells me. Kasi pag nag-cut, I'm left there going, and she always goes, hey,
snap out of it.
I can't. So when my husband picks me up and I'm going home, I'm still thinking aloud and going, okay, did I do that scene the way I really wanted to? Did I really place my voice in the right, did I really phrase? Or did I really, so many
So when do you
things
leave your
I could have
character?
done.
When do you leave your character? When the show is over? It's not when pack up.
Well,
Hindi pa rin.
When you go home and you know that you need to sleep for the next day's challenge,
Yeah.
and then you just have to.
No.
But there's a lot of assessment, reassessment, and an ambition and a goal to say, I'll do it better next time.
Is that the same for you, Charmaine?
Yeah, we always strive for excellence,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Wow.
And
Oo.
acting, you
Excellence,
never
correct.
really stop, di ba? You
Yeah.
never really
Yeah.
stop kasi you're studying people.
You always learn.
Oo, you're
But when you
always
get home,
learning. It depende sa akin. If it's theater, it kind of stays with you for a few weeks even. Not the whole character.
Yeah,
no?
yeah.
Parang halimbawa, sisa ka eh. Hindi. Pero halimbawa, I played a queen before, Queen Elizabeth. I noticed na medyo
Role-playing ka pa rin. Nag-role-playing ka pa rin.
Oo, parang
Oo.
it stays with you, your character.
Oo.
Especially if you play also for TV na mahaba.
Yeah.
Halimbawa, yung
Oo.
medyo siga-siga ka. Medyo, even in real life, medyo siga
Yes.
ka rin.
Yeah.
Ikaw, Army, ganyan. Ikaw rin ba? Pero
Pero minsan kasi, di ba, pagka sa soap, yung madalian, tapos kontrabida ka.
Yeah.
Minsan feeling ko, nauuwi ko yung pagkakontrabida ko.
Oo.
Parang ang init pa rin ng ulo ko. Tapos sasabihin ko, tapos na, dapat yun, pagpag.
Yeah.
ganyan.
Oo. Pero ikaw, Pai, paano ka nagpapagpag? Kasi ikaw parang nakikita ko, intense ka rin eh. Parang si Charmaine at si Chanda. Si Ina kasi parang bata. So parang madali pa sa kanya magpagpag. Pero parang si Pai, parang very, pa rin siya, passionate. Oo.
Sa akin depende, pag theater din.
Oo.
You know, kasi usually after, di ba, you may fellowship with the co-actors. Then you pero ako kasi parang kinakat ko eh. I think with the emotion and the character, yun medyo nakakat ko. Pero depende nga kung theater or TV or film. Pero sa isip, it's all in your mind. Yung replays, yung rewinds and everything. Pero ako talaga ay, basta yun, nagpapagawa.
Ito ang challenging question ko.
That's
Dito
fair.
ka sa dami ng mga roles na I can imagine how many hundreds of roles you've played. Is there one outstanding role that made a mark, that parang changed your life, that parang you said, ay nako, sana buti na lang artista ko, hindi ko naging buhay yan. Parang ganyan. Meron bang role that affected you, that it made you your mindset was changed, or your belief, or I don't know. Is there
May
anything
answer
that gave
For
that
me kasi,
impact?
I never judge my character.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's nice to hear.
Especially because, yun di ba answer mo? Naku, hindi mo na kailangan pwede ulitin yun.
No copying! No copying!
Okay, I want to.
Sige,
Yeah, so you don't judge your characters kasi, halimbawa, we're doing a villain, no? you have to find the truth of a villain. Why he is motivated or she is motivated to do that. Ano yung pinanggagalingan nun?
Yeah.
Walang judgment.
Oo,
Or else,
oo.
hindi mo maisa sa puso yung ginagawa ng character.
O si Ina, sige. What else?
Hello!
No, nasagot na.
Do you feel the same, lalo na if you are portraying a true-to-life story?
I feel the same. I mean, yun nga, copy-paste na lang. Hindi kasi
It's a
parang
universal
kailangan mo kampihan, no?
Oo.
So, whether the villain, sila yun. Pero
Oo.
for me, lead siya yung bida in my life
Oo,
right
oo,
now. No? So, I have to understand where this character is coming from. So,
Yung
yun, hindi mo siya huhusgahan.
Yung mga, sige.
Sorry, ako naman, sorry. I think that's why me as an actor, I feel we're the most blessed and to have this kind of job.
oo.
Yes.
Well, I don't have yung favorite character na ganyan-ganyan kasi nga everything that we do, who can have this kind of work na may outlet ka, you get to portray, you get to create,
then
you
you
get
get
to
paid.
play,
You get to travel,
and you get paid.
Yeah.
Tapos, di ba, you deal with different people. Beautiful,
What a-
beautiful.
yeah,
So my
what a
next
blessing.
question is, Carmi, pag kayo ay nasa set, sinong nasusunod? Ikaw o yung direktor?
Depende.
Kaya sabihin ng
Like yung
direktor,
Working Girls.
o sige.
Hindi
Diba?
ako yun.
Ah.
Si Ishmael Bernal yun.
Ah.
Lahat ng mga pagganun-ganun
Oo.
ko and all that, may hinahanap ako
Yeah.
na kasi malabo yung mata ko.
Oo.
But meron ding mga directors na binibigyan ka ng freedom. Kaya para
Yung
sa
atake.
akin, because I took up acting workshop kasi I want to go deeper pagdating dun sa drama, no? So, para sa akin, gusto kong aralin maigi yung binigay sa aking role. Katulad ng sinabi nila, nakakalkalin ko pa kung meron pa akong makakalkal dun sa background na pwede kong i-add dun sa pagiging villain, nung pinuportray ko. Bakit ba siya naging ganun? Ano kaya yung childhood niya? Yung mga ganung bagay.
Ikaw siya may ganon. Sinong nasusunod? Yung direktor? Ikaw? Or, di ba? Hindi, kasi kunyari, sabihin ng direktor, o ganito, gusto ko malumanay ka. Pero kung sabihin mo, do you also try, I mean, not gonna argue, but do you also put in you collaborate?
You collaborate.
And then
but-
you meet, you compromise.
Yeah,
Oo.
but the final say, always, the
Captain,
director.
captain of the ship.
Yes,
Yeah.
kailangan marunong kang sumunod. In
Oo.
fact, sa teatro, may sinasabi na parang you try first before saying it doesn't work for me or
that's not
that
me.
blocking doesn't work.
Oo.
Try mo muna.
Oo,
Gawin
oo.
mo muna. Pag hindi mo magawa ng tama,
Yeah.
saka magsabi, direct, pwede bang medyo hindi ito madali.
You know, I ask this kasi you're all veterans. So parang syempre ngayon yung mga direktor, yung mga baguhan na, 'di ba, baka ma-intimidate sa inyo. So, 'di ba? Kasi syempre yung experience
Yung mga
ninyo,
bagets,
yung mga bagets baka ma-intimidate. So pag ganoon, baka 'di ba, yung sabi niyo nga collaboration. Is it difficult to collaborate with a director or you find it easier na, sige, let's work together instead of okay, I will just follow you or you just follow me.
Always a collaboration.
Always.
Ako yung last na guesting ko sa TV5 na nakakatawa kasi ang ginawa nilang role sa akin, para siyang may kontrabida na naman, pero ang dami kong nunal. Marian de la Riva, Charo Santos, Nora Honor, si Lorna Tolentino. So ngayon, kung nasan yung nunal, dapat yun yung acting ko. Wow! Diba? Sabi ko, wow, ang saya naman nito. Kasi napaka-challenging for
Yes,
me.
oo.
Pero nag-collaborate kaming dalawa ng
With the
director. Na
director,
sabi ko, Direk, pinag-aralan ko talaga yung script ha.
Oo.
Pwede ba banda dito, nung mabait ang Lorna Tolentino ako, mali yung sagot niya.
Oo.
Naasar ako, tinanggal ko yung nunal, nilagay ko dito para Bella Flores ako. Sabi niya, okay yan. Ayun, so it worked. So minsan yung maganda rin yung nagko-collaborate talaga with the director.
How about you, Charmaine, yung ganyan, yung sa mga director, do you find yourself sometimes nagdi-disagree kayo sa director? Or ano na lang talaga, yung respeto, di ba? Mas matagal akong naging artista, ikaw baguhan ka lang na director.
No.
Wala,
No.
hindi.
Wala yun.
Captain of the ship, the director.
Yes. Parang
talaga.
ingrained yun sa actors.
Oo,
Talagang
oo.
may
Respeto.
kailangan kayong sundin, kundi magkakagulo kayo.
Siguro lalo na
Diba,
sa old
diba?
school.
Yeah.
Sa old school actor.
Director talaga.
Ang
nasusunod.
We were trained
Ang
that
nasusunod.
way.
Yeah.
Parang
Oo.
ganun.
Oh, that's very nice.
At saka that
Sige.
it's so nice na director ang masusunod. Kasi pag hindi nag-work, at least hindi ko kasalanan. Sorry.
ngayon digital na tayo, 'di ba? Ngayon at least hindi na pwede nang i-review nga natin 'yan. Nagpapakiusapan niyo ba yung mga director pag kunyari gusto niyo magpa-retake? Do you or you wait for the director to say mag-retake or kayo ang mismong nagre-request na hindi direct retake kaya ko pa isa pa?
Ako, the director's call. They will say if it's a good take or not. Direct, okay
Direct,
po
what
sa
do you
inyo.
think?
Ganyan.
Oo.
Or
Pag
pag
hindi
talagang
satisfied.
sinabi niya na okay pero hindi ano.
Hindi
There are
ka-
directors, you'll just be lucky enough if you had a director who will understand and you'll just say, Direct, okay, Direct,
Oh.
Direct, I didn't feel so good about it.
Oo.
Pwede. May oras
Isa pa ba?
tayo?
Oo,
Pwede pa ba?
oo. So, ganun ka rin, Ina?
Ganun din.
Oh.
Meron like, syempre pagkaibigan mo na rin yung director. Tapos
Yun na nga.
pag halimbawa
Ano na lang yung
gandang-ganda ko lalo sa project, tapos kunyari naramdaman ko na, ay wait, parang, kasi nga, you are your worst critic. Ako personally, I'm like my worst critic. So
Oh,
even if
true.
everyone
Guilty.
will say na ang ganda, pag alam kong, kita, ano ko dun.
Pwede
So yun, pag kilala ko,
Okay
usually
lang.
yung hindi ako masyado nahihiya.
Yeah, oo.
I'll ask na parang, can I do one more? But the moment he says, I got what I need, you have to trust na,
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
Kasi
yes.
I
maganda
asked
na.
about the directors. How about co-actors? How is it, kunyari, may isang actor na nasa isang eksena kayo pero hindi mo siya feel or nagkagalit kayo at one before, di ba?
Nako.
How do you
May
how do you
karelasyon?
interact? I'm sure, di ba? Di ba? Bakit tawa ka? Parang
Oh my
may nag-flashback sa iyo.
Pag hindi mo siya feel, parang
Diba?
gusto mo nang maningil ng mas mataas. Kasi alam mo, mas magtatrabaho ka.
Oo. Ganun lang ba?
Extra work.
No,
yun.
no, but
Oh.
it doesn't.
Oh.
Extra work.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's an extra work in terms of emotions, in ano, 'di ba?
In discipline.
In discipline at sa ano. But you have to do what you have to do.
Oo.
You're playing a character, you're playing a character. We have to be professional about it.
Pero you have to
aside from
make
that,
the scene
pwede mo-
work. No matter what.
Yes.
That's your goal. eh.
And you have to make the scene work.
Yes. Oo.
Pero sometimes nakakatulong yung makakwentuhan mo naman yung ka-eksena mo, hindi ba? Yung
May-
magkakakilala,
yeah,
yung
yeah.
magkaroon
Para
kayo.
nga hindi lahat open.
Hindi, or hindi mo kasundo lang talaga. Maybe wala, hindi niya alam or
Or sarado
whatever
lang
reason.
talaga.
Oo.
O minsan nahihirapan
Or walang
ako.
oras.
Yeah.
Doon sa hindi nagsasalita.
Pero yun nga,
at all.
so tama yung sabi ni Ina,
Sometimes it works. Kunyari, like, I had like ganyan. Yung parang siya yung actor na ayoko talaga siya maka-work.
Oo.
Because of more of the professional side.
Yeah.
Pero when I watched the episode, ala, parang may chemistry. Parang ang ganda, nag-work.
Oo.
Because there's an actual like tension going on.
If the scene is dapat, kunyari,
Oh,
may
may
galit
tension,
kayo.
yeah.
Eh, what
Eh,
if you're
paano
supposed to be buddy-buddies? Or worse,
Ito,
mag-asawa?
mag-asawa kami.
It's a job.
It's a
Okay,
job.
bottom line,
Yeah,
it's a
it's a
job.
job. Oo.
Kahit hindi mo gusto yung harap mo.
Gawin.
Pag sinabing in love kayo sa isa't isa,
Masisig dyan, sa kissing-sing.
Oh, sa kissing scene.
Posible namang mag-practice pa kaming mag-kissing-sing. So, ang sasabihan ko, ganyan mo ha? Kasi kailangan take one lang to.
Eh, do you retreat to a corner and then do you parang
Yes!
internalize?
Ako.
Paano kayo, kaya nga, nag-retreat to a corner, internalize, or parang nag-uusap kayo, halika, mag-usap muna tayo para
Pag
let's
hindi mo
get to know each
gusto?
other. Oo, pag hindi mo gusto.
Hindi, pag hindi mo gusto, ka na, take na.
Let's get the show done with.
The short, let's get over and done with it already.
Yeah.
But yun nga, it's work. You have to, whatever.
Yeah.
You discipline, yung ano, you have to do it.
Oo.
You have to be
Yeah.
professional about it. You have to make the scene work.
Has there ever been a time na gumawa kayo ng isang eksena, tapos dahil, kunyari, sampalyan or whatever, nagkagalit pa kayo? Dahil, parang
Naku,
nagkainisan.
may ganyan.
May
Maraming ganyan.
O
May
sa
ganyan.
palan, may nakakapikon.
Ay,
Pag lalo na pag
Ay, share mo nga. Share mo nga, Pai.
Na-intrigue ako.
Share. Oh, sige.
Siyempre, nung bata ka. Sorry.
Okay.
Siyempre, nung bata ako, of course, di ba, I give so much respect to my senior actor. So, whatever, di ba? So, you take it, di ba, you absorb. So, sampalin ka, sabunutan ka, okay. And then later on, pag nagmamature ka na, you know, siyempre, medyo natututunan mo na, di ba meron ka na, nag-i-evolve.
Okay.
Kailangan ba talaga minsan na ganon, ganyan. And then now, I'm just realizing, you know, sometimes it can be debilitating sa totoong buhay.
Oo, na sinampal ka.
Na yung iba, di ba, sasampalin ka, tapos nabingi na
Yes,
for a
oo.
month or
Oo,
for
oo,
ano.
oo.
So, di ba, with an actor, kailangan may trust kayo Especially for
Yeah.
yung,
Kapag physical
yung mga
scenes,
physical scenes na yan, di ba?
Dangerous
So,
kasi
dangerous kasi
Yes.
siya, di ba? So, you have to really talk, you have to
Yeah.
choreograph.
Safety, may
Safety, may
boundaries.
boundaries. Oh my God.
Sige, ano yan? Ano yan? Oh my God.
But there are actors. So, usapan nyo. So tototohanin ba natin? Kasi pwede naman minsan.
fake,
Kaya.
oo.
I mean, di ba? Oo, tas kaya nga din
Kunyari,
actors
yung sabi
tayo,
mo,
di ba?
yeah.
So, so, pwede naman sa angulo, di ba? It doesn't have to, you don't have to do it several times. So, tototohanin ba? Hindi. Okay, hindi kasi hindi naman
Yeah.
na mamaya na dun sa ano.
Oo.
Okay.
Sa actual.
Oh my God, sa actual, ganyan. Eh pa nga, dito.
Ako din,
Sa,
mayroong
sa tenga.
eksena.
Ah, so paano?
So, you know, sometimes, hindi ka naman syempre ano ba? Hindi ka naman diba? But of course, you feel hurt.
Na pinag-usapan ninyo.
Yan pinag-usapan natin. So I think, di ba, may ethics may boundaries.
Tsaka yung trust issues
May
na.
trust
Oo.
between actors.
Yeah.
Di ba? So I think, yung sa mga bata, you know, everybody who's hearing us now, dapat may ganon, di ba? May respect.
Yeah,
May
correct.
respect dun sa trabaho natin.
Oo.
Tsaka may control, sorry.
sige.
May
Go
control.
ahead.
Kasi, especially women, usually rape scene. Hindi naman na-rape yung lalaki.
Yes,
Kalimitan
yes.
babae.
Oo.
So talagang, lalo na nung bata pa ako, talagang
Ako, pinapasa.
black and blue,
Oo.
pasa-pasa. Oo.
Oo.
So I think, as actors, you know, you have to train also how to do those
Yeah.
physical.
Dapat may ano, di ba,
They have
rehearsal.
to train.
At least may
Yes,
rehearsal.
kailangan. Tsaka yung hawak na hindi naman talaga, yung parang nakaano lang,
Yeah.
naka-lock.
Tinatense
Pero
mo lang to,
ibenta mo
pero-
lang.
Oo, there's a way to do it.
Pero kasi ako, I usually play villain, ano? So ako, nagpapaalam ako na pwede ba kitang sampalin ng totoo o hindi. Hindi totohanin niyo po. Pero usually nga, yung mas ako naman, kung ako kunyari yung sasampalin, sasabihin ko, mas gusto kong, ayoko nung hawakan mo ako ng ganyan lang. Kasi mas gusto kong maramdaman, nakakatulong sa akin.
Yes.
At kung kailangan mo akong sampalin mo ako. Pero may nakasampal na rin
Kasi
sa
di ba
akin
may
na
tamang,
nabingli ka.
may tamang sampal.
Yeah.
Ano ba yung tama?
Tamang
Sige nga,
sampal.
sa mga nanonood, ano ba yung tamang sampal?
Sampalin mo ba?
Sige, halika lang.
Dapat ano,
Itakap ba yun? O dapat ganyan?
dapat ito yung tumatama.
Ah, yung
Not the
fingertips.
bone.
Ah, not the palm. Not the
Yes.
palm.
And then
Ah.
Just dapat dito lang sa
Aasintahin mo
piso.
yan.
Sa where the fleshy part.
Dito sa cheeks talaga. So mataba.
Not,
Hindi
O, ayan ang
Sa
tip.
panga.
O, ayan ang tip,
Tsaka
ha?
dapat dapat tumulong yung sinasampal. Huwag
Oo.
yung titigasan.
Oo.
Kasi pag
O kaya yung iba, ina-anticipate.
Oo.
Yun naman
na
nakikita
sila.
nila.
Sampal. Nako, dapat meron ng hazard, pay yan, di ba? Para hazardous pay. Okay, my next question,
Pero
Ina.
pag hindi mo siya gusto, pwede mo siyang pangahin. Tapos
Ayun.
ay, sorry.
Sorry, after na, no? Ito, kaya my next question kasi kay Ina, kasi siya nga yung pinakabata. Ang daming platforms na ngayon. May verticals, di ba?
Yeah.
Merong streaming, merong TV pa rin, may film, may play. How do you adjust to all these different platforms now?
Wow. Sabi naman. Hindi kagaya ng sinabi ni Ate Pai, na parang you're always naman playing for truth, whatever platform. No? Pero, ngayon, bukod sa platform, yung direction din, nag-iiba din talaga eh. Like, sometimes gusto ng director, ang style niya is, kumbaga kung stylized din yung ginagawa niyong project.
Oo.
Na parang it's more talking, not a lot of showing.
Oo.
Na parang hindi masyadong ini-express. It's all subtext, yung ganun. So,
You're able to adjust naman.
Yeah,
You
you have to
don't
adjust.
see, it's
You
not jarring. Kumbaga,
It's not
seamless
jarring.
naman.
No.
Do all of you agree na wala namang pag-iiba sa mga
Yung
platform?
vertical, medyo-
Verticals, oo.
Kasi
Kasi
nakagawa
cellphone
na
lang
ako
eh.
eh. Oo. So, parang sinabi lang sa akin na be aware na yung acting hindi pwede masyadong naka-expand yung
Oo,
kamay mo,
kamay,
ganito,
oo.
ganyan.
Tipid.
More on yung action, yung
Facial
motion.
expression.
Oo.
Oo.
Hindi, tsaka yung be aware dun sa paggalaw. Kasi nga, hindi mo pwedeng i-horizontal.
Yeah, frame.
vertical lang
Oo,
siya.
oo.
Yun.
Mahirap lang. Ako, sometimes, you know, when you do a teleserye, and then you transfer to doing a film. Diba? In terms of yung truth, wala naman nagbabago doon. But kasi when you do a teleserye, you do it kasi 3 times a week.
Yeah.
So it becomes second
Second
scale.
nature.
Yes.
So parang minsan automatic.
Saka pag TV kasi, ang laging sinasabi, ang nanonood sa'yo, hindi lahat ng time nanonood. So they have to hear
have
the
to
drama.
hear.
They have to-
Yeah.
So,
Yan.
ibang-iba,
So,
in
kailangan
the
maingay.
So
Kailangan
medyo,
maingay.
iba yung kultura sa television, especially with doing a teleserye. So, yun lang sa akin yung difference. But when you do a film, dapat seamless. Dapat walang kanto.
Yeah.
So, you have to forgo and let go
Imagine.
yung lahat nung
Roles mo dati.
lahat nung nakasanayan mo.
Parang
Kasi
habit,
yung
nagiging
habit,
habit.
nagiging habit eh. Kasi nagiging second scale.
Oo,
Imagine
sa
if you
TV.
tape for 3
Yeah.
times a week
Yeah.
with a character,
Yeah.
di ba sa autopilot?
Oo,
Di ba?
automatic.
Automatic.
Oo, oo, oo.
But when you do a film, dapat lahat yun, you have to let go of it para yung character that you're going to play on film, seamless naman. Kasi kung hindi, magkakakanto. Kasi like on television also, sometimes we wait for a reaction.
Yes.
Yung
Yeah.
mag-react ka na.
Before you.
Oo, kasi
Oo.
kailangan mong hintayin.
May beat eh.
May beat, may
Yes.
Yes,
Oo.
yung
So it's a
beat.
different culture. Doon lang ako nahihirapan
Sa switch.
Yes.
sa switch.
Oo. How about you, Chanda?
At saka ang boses pa lang, even like napag-usapan natin yan kanina, the TV and movie, meron talagang, like they say, yung mga nanay na nanonood ng TV, hindi nanonood yan.
Nakikinig.
Oo,
nakikinig lang yan.
nakikinig.
So,
Oo.
so kung ano yung sasabihin mo sa pelikula na, sinasabi ko na nga ba. You cannot do that. Lagi mong sinasabi ko na nga ba eh.
Oo,
It has to be
correct.
big
Yes.
because they have to hear it.
Oo.
Because naglalabada ang mga audience, nangluluto.
Tsaka pag film, di ba, you know it's going to be blown up.
Yes.
It's a big
Big
screen.
screen. Yeah.
Mabilis ka magiging OA.
Mabilis ka magiging
Oo.
Pag sa
Pag
film,
film,
you
the
let the
camera.
camera come to you.
Yeah.
Minsan nga tinatago mo pa eh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Para hindi mo
Parang-
pinapakita.
Yes.
Para hanapin
Gusto ko
nila.
yung tinatago.
Mga ganun
Pero pag sa theater naman,
Kulang naman. Malaki naman talaga. Kulang.
So parang lahat kayo, you don't see any problem transitioning from the different platforms, whether that's film, TV, stage, verticals, and God knows what's the next platform, walang problema. Pero do you see any challenges or new opportunities?
No, ako nahihirapan minsan. Alam mo naman ang buhay ng artista. Minsan wala. Minsan naman sabay-sabay sila. So ang minsan nahihirapan ako na meron kang soap, tapos may movie ka, na totally different yung role. So yung transition ng pag-ano mo, ng paggawa, lalo na, syempre tao lang, kasi yung emosyon mo, hindi naman alam na ina-acting mo lang to. Pero you physically get tired,
Yeah.
diba?
Oo.
So yun, doon minsan ako nahihirapan yung pag-transition na, sino na ba ako dito? Tapos sabi ko, di ba ikaw yung anak ko doon sa soap? Ay, hindi pala ikaw. Hindi pala, sige, apo pala kita dito.
Parang edad na yata.
Edad na ba? Hindi, pero kasi minsan talaga physically
Nakakapagod.
Pero kaya lang, pag dumating yung offer at gusto mo naman talaga, pipilitin mo talaga na, because ako, I love my craft. Katulad ng mga sinasabi nila. Para sa akin, nakakaaliw na, wow, hindi ko nagagawa sa buhay ko to. Kasi sa bahay, may abebe lang ako, pero dito baliw ako. Dito ganito yung role ko. Dito may nunal ako na marami. Dito bakla ako, ganun-ganun.
How about you, Charmaine? Oo, wala kang may nakikita kang mga opportunities ngayon na parang dati kasi lang talaga pelikula tsaka telebisyon. Ngayon, may streaming, may verticals. Tapos ewan ko pa kung ano pa yung mga ibang mga platform. Oo. Do you see it as an opportunity, as a challenge? Are you excited? Are you scared?
I guess, it's a challenge.
Oo.
Talking about platforms, no, kasi ano rin yun eh, bukas na bukas to so many people. I mean, even, this woman who stays at home
Yeah.
suddenly has a channel
Yeah.
because
Yeah,
she's
YouTube
performing
channel
on
na,
stage,
oo.
di ba? It's not necessarily a job for them, but, it's a source of income and they do it. Actually, nga sa sobrang dami ng nawawala na ng trabaho. Kasi kahit sino pwede na,
Pwede
parang
na.
Nag-create na.
Yeah, oo.
You're all creators and
Oo.
actors.
And also, yung changes sa different mediums, no? In my case, I also have to consciously recalibrate my acting.
Yes.
You have to make yourself aware na ito, maliit lang. Parang kailangan mo rin i-remind sarili mo.
Yeah,
Hindi
yeah.
naman seamless yan na
Oo.
galing-galing ko na dito.
So kayo, kontento kayo kung saan yung industriya ngayon. Have you been able to, aside from your bodies of work na talagang ang haba-haba na ng yung mga ginawa, masasabi ninyo, sulit yung binabayad sa inyo. Happy ba kayo sa kinaroroonan ng inyong mga karera?
It could be better.
Especially with the with the theater people sa theater.
Oo.
It can be better. But I think we're a developing country. So kasama yun. Hindi kasi global ang market. But now, I think we're seeing the light.
Oo.
We're seeing the light now that with all the platforms nga and the streaming apps.
Yeah.
So maybe,
So,
I hope we get there.
Do you want to dispel the notion? Kasi ang daming gusto mag-artista. Kasi akala nila, yun ang sagot, di ba? Sa
kahirap.
magandang
No.
buhay.
Hindi.
Di ba? Di ba? Yun
Minsan
ang tulong
nabunado
nila
ka
sa,
pa.
Pwedeng
sa mga
gusto
pamilya
nila
nila.
mag-showbiz, pero
Oh.
kung gusto nila mag-artista,
Iba.
is a different
A different,
goal
yeah.
altogether.
Oh, because
Because ibang artista kaysa showbiz.
Oo.
Celebrity. I always say ibang actor sa celebrity.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
I mean, you're a celebrity, you're a social media, blah, blah. But to be an actor, no the passion for the craft comes first.
Parang
I
you have to
think.
love the process.
Oo, you have,
But I
diba?
know many
And then-
actors who have succeeded, who are very successful, di ba? Yung
Yeah,
talagang...
but they don't make, I think they don't make money on the craft itself. They make money on the endorsement.
Yes.
Oo.
But on the craft, on your art, hindi masyado. But, you know, of course, it's okay naman.
Yeah.
We're very grateful again. Pero it's a well-paying job. Pero I think lang, dapat yung mindset sa mga gustong mag-artista, hindi pera. Sa kahit naman anong trabaho, di ba?
Dapat mahalin mo.
Dapat mahalin mo
Mahalin
muna
mo.
at gusto mo yung trabaho mo and then the rewards and will come.
Will come.
Well, they don't see this as
Yeah.
a craft.
Yeah.
They see this as a business.
Yes.
In
correct.
fact, you know,
So
as
that's
an
where
acting
the
teacher
ano
dati.
lies.
Acting teacher dati, hindi kasi tutulog yun. Pero, excuse me, sinasabi ako ng mga estudyante ko, if you have a second love, and you also love doing that, aside from acting, do that. Kasi acting is not secure. Will
Yes.
not give you a secure future. But if you cannot think of yourself doing anything else, parang ito lang talaga ang gusto mong gawin, go for it.
Pursue it.
Oo, because you will suffer. Especially at first, or sometimes kahit established ka na, you will suffer.
Ang dami pa rin
Or
ups
wala
and downs.
So
Yes.
what advice can you give people who are watching us who want to pursue the arts, whether that's in film, TV, verticals, YouTube channel, whatever? Ano yung mabibigay mong payo sa kanila?
Hindi yun nga, dapat yung mahal na mahal mo, yung passion mo, yung craft mo, yung ano. Pero kung ang iniisip mo, mag-aartista ka dahil sisikat ka,
Dahil gusto
maganda
mo
ka,
maling mindset,
magiging
mali.
popular ka,
Mag-isip-isip ka pa.
mag-isip, oo, di ba? Iba pa rin. Ayun.
Paano?
Iba pa rin baka.
Kasi mga actors, di ba, we've sacrificed. Like me, I took up dentistry. My father wanted me to be, di ba? Pero hindi. Siyempre, sinuway ko ang mga magulang ko.
Layo, no? Dentista,
Yeah, because
artista.
my passion
Pa-check
is
ko nga yung
really to
ngipin mo.
performing arts. Yung gano'n.
Ang dami.
Looking back, your decades of career, in your career, is there one outstanding role that you are truly proud of na, you know, if there's a, wala?
It's tough.
All of it,
It's tough.
It's tough.
It's really tough.
Wala.
There have been a lot, and to pick just one of those will not be fair to the
It does not
creator.
define you kasi one role.
Or not be fair to.
Yes.
And we hardly think about that, you know?
Oo,
Na
yun
parang,
was the best.
ito na yung role na talagang gusto ko. No, kasi every
Parang
time you
love
get
mo
a
lahat
role,
ng role.
you just
It's
really
new,
give your
and it's always the
100%.
best. When it's new,
O sige, I will
Meron
change
pa
the
nga akong
question.
pangarap na role eh.
meron ka pa wala.
Meron ka ba?
Meron ka pangarap na
O
role.
sige, ano yung pangarap mong role?
Ay, or hindi naman role, or a story.
Okay.
Or hindi naman pangarap, because I think I've done it already.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Pero, yung Wuthering Heights.
Wuthering Heights.
Or
Okay.
yung,
oo.
Medyo
what's
soft.
this? yung ano, well, ako, I still dream of making a film na na love story for adults.
Adults as in,
parang-
adults,
Just Bridges of
Bridges.
Madison.
Oh, maganda yun.
mga senior citizen.
Mga
na.
senior citizen.
Yes, yes.
Kasi di ba, you see a lot of love stories, pero it's puro bagets.
It's always
puro
for the young.
Yeah.
Pero now, parang, very seldom, or ang tagal na nga yata wala yung,
Oo,
yung
sa
ano,
Pilipinas,
sa Pilipinas,
no?
sa
sa
ibang
Pilipinas.
Yeah.
Sa ibang bansa.
Yeah.
Oh my
Oh my
God.
God.
I mean,
80 and they can
ang
still
dami.
be wildly in love.
Okay, but Chanda, if we do that, do you see any leading man who will play the role? Kayo magaganda pa kayo in your 70s, di ba? Sino naman ang
Well, that's
leading man
also
mo?
one thing, ha?
It doesn't have to be with a kaedad. It
That was like the Ding Dong Charo. Oh,
Pero
parang
I
ganon.
must say, kulang
Oh.
talaga ng lalaking I mean,
Senior na-
lalaking artista. At, I mean, all
Whatever age.
any age.
Oo.
Kulang. Mas marami ang babae. I think.
Oh, kasi wala na si Eddie Garcia, di ba?
I can still see doing a love story with Dante Rivero or Tommy Abuel, who are both my leading
Contemporaries.
man.
Oo. So, is...
Or actually, sorry,
Okay.
roles for women. I mean, ikaw nga, ano ka pa, there's still so much ahead of you.
Yun na nga, maybe
Pero
ito
sa amin,
eh.
no?
40 pa lang. 40 pa lang.
yung roles for mature
Women, yeah.
50 and above. Tsaka yung talagang...
But you also have to hope that the audience also, the Philippine audience also, is mature to appreciate.
I think they are.
Di ba?
That's
Kasi,
true.
di ba?
I
Kasi
think
feeling
they're
ko,
ready.
I think they're ready.
they're
I
ready,
think
you
they
think?
are.
Kasi
Madali na
sobra
nila.
na yung mga streaming eh.
Yung mga streaming
Oh, mga streaming. Kasi ako,
Hindi, baka pwedeng pang Netflix yun.
Oh.
Kasi sa sine ngayon, parang ano eh.
pang-bagets
Parang
pa
gusto
rin.
nila pang-bagets.
Pang-bagets pa rin,
Yeah.
oo. Dapat talaga nag-mature rin yung audience. Kasi kayo, nagmamature eh. Pero yung audience, baka gusto nila, yung sa mga mas bata pa rin. Di ba?
Sana makisabay na sila sa pagka-mature na.
Ayan, maraming salamat
Oo
naman mga
naman.
girls.
So
Ang
much
galing nyo.
fun.
So much fun.
Thank you.
Very interesting. Very revealing. Nako. Kayo pala, yung tip talaga, yung take away ko dyan, yung pagsampal.
Ako ngayon ko lang natutunan niya kasi kung sumampal ako mula dito.
Mula dito. Ako, yun ang talaga nakakabingi. Pero maraming salamat,
Thank you,
girls.
thank you for
Thank you
having
so
us.
much.
Yes.
The art of acting brings truth, emotion, and excitement to every story. Every performance has the power to move, to transform, to provoke, to entertain, and to stay with us long after the scene ends. And this is proven by the diverse, talented actresses we've talked to today. So thank you to Cherry Pie, Ina, Chanda, Carmi, and Charmaine for sharing our craft and your journeys. Stay with us for the next episode of Behind the Reel, where we spotlight the faces and forces that move Philippine cinema.
Siyempre kasi our parents are in the industry. May konting curiosity na.
Pero parang yung nakikita nyo sila sa TV, parang, Mami, bakit nasa TV ka? Parang may ganun ba?
Nagkaroon ako ng guts to try it. And then eventually I felt it.
Na-intimidate ka ba doon sa mga katrabaho?
Yeah.
Grabe
Oh
naman.
my gosh!
Kasi pangarap ko talaga before was to become a basketball player. Oh! So yun talaga yung dream ko.
Curious lang, were you discouraged not to enter showbiz? May ganun ba? Yes. Oh my God!
Yes.